Hey Mel, this is Lee. As I promised, I created this custom video for you to see how you can improve your website and your online presence. So at the end of the day, you can get more customers to your website and book more services and appointments, right? So I've got your website open here, as you can see, and I do like the style, the paintbrush, and also it's nice and personable. So well done on that. I think a lot of people do feel comfortable with this personalized approach, so good job on that. Also took a look that you can book appointments directly online, and you also provide a price list, so you definitely got the basics down so that people can easily book an appointment. Perhaps you can maybe make the book appointment a bit more visible. That might be nicer, just to drive that action that people can book an appointment right now. The one thing I really wanted to cover is around website content. So at the moment I'm looking here on your homepage, and you probably have less than 100 words of content on here, probably about 50 words. So Google recommends that on your homepage you need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And the reason for that is that Google will go out and crawl different websites, and they want to index websites. So what indexing means, basically they want to try and do and extract various different keywords that they want to use in their search algorithm. So when people are searching for something that's related, then they can actually find your website. And in order to do that, you need to provide them quite a bit of content. So they recommend at least 1,500 words of content. So if you can increase your number of content you have here, then I think you'll be ranking quite a bit better than you currently are. Next, I just want to look at one of your top competitors that you have in Zwolle. Is New York Nail Salon. They've got a very flashy website, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. They do have slightly more content than you on their homepage over here, but still probably looking at about 500 words of content. So if you get your website homepage up to 1,500 words, I think you can beat them out from a content perspective and get yours ranked above theirs. The next thing I want to cover is around the Google search. So if I put in nail salon in Zwolle, sometimes they will come up here in the top. There will be Google ads, and the Google ads are there to quickly drive traffic to your website, but you do know that you have to sort of every time someone clicks on it, then you have to pay for that someone clicked on that link that comes to your website. So it can drive traffic nice and quickly to your website, but you do need to pay for it. The second part is the Google map listing, and this is a great thing to be listed on, right? So this shows the businesses in the area that you typed in, and this is nice because people can quickly see contact numbers as well as get to your website. And these top 3 positions are so important that from statistics it shows that between 30 and 40% of people that are searching will actually click on one of these 3 links. So a lot of traffic coming to these 3 links. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your name, your contact number, and your physical address. And to increase your number of citations, you need to get listed on directories. So a directory is basically a Gumtree or a Yellow Pages or anything like that that can actually reference that combination, which is basically a citation. I personally normally try to get my citations between 100 and 200 to sort of guarantee my spot in this top 3 positions. The third thing I want to go over is the organic search result. So also very important because this is what Google sees as the most relevant that's typed into the Google search. And once again, from statistics, it shows that 29% of people will click on the first link, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. Less than 9% of people will actually go past the second page, past the first page to the second page of Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions because that's where the majority of the traffic is coming to. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, let me show you. So I use a tool called Ahrefs. So this tool allows me to put in a website address like you see here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers for me. And these are the numbers basically that Google will use to index your website and actually put on the organic search results. The first one I'm going to go through is the UR. That's basically the trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. So you can see at the moment they don't really trust your website at this point in time. Your DR is your strength index. So this is how strong Google rates your website. So not very strong. It's marked out of 100. So you've got a 0 out of 100 at the moment. Your backlinks and referring domains is what's going to get you onto those organic search results. So the higher number of backlinks and referring domains you have, the higher you will be placed on the organic search result. A backlink is basically a link from another website to yours. It's basically a shout out from another website to yours that you exist. And the referring domain is the website basically that links to your website. So you have 38 links coming into your website, and you have one website that's actually pointing to your website. So at the moment you have 0 organic keywords. So these are the keywords that Google has picked up from your website. And this is probably because, you don't have a lot of content on your homepage, but the keywords are important because this is what people are going to be, are going to be searching for, and what Google is going to try to use to rank you on the search results. And that reflects in your organic traffic. So at the moment, you're not getting any traffic from Google search to your website. So no traffic. So you've got a nice website, but unfortunately not being discovered by Google, and you're not getting any traffic. I do see at the moment that your website is quite new. It was around Jan-Feb that you created your website. So maybe it can take some time for some stuff to rank, but at the moment it's not being found. So looking at your same competitor that we looked at earlier, at the moment their trust index is at a 15, so a bit better than your website at the moment. Their strength is still at a 0, so also not very strong. So very beatable at this point. They've got 48 backlinks from 20 domains, so slightly more backlinks that you have, but quite a bit more referring domains than you, but still on the low side, still very beatable. And this reflects basically on organic traffic. So where you had 0 traffic, they have 882 people a month that's actually finding their website from the Google search results. So a lot of traffic coming to their website, to your main competitor, which you should actually be getting. And Google has picked up 75 keywords that they can use as part of their search engine, and we'll take a look at that now. So looking at the keywords that they've picked up, you'll see Nail Studio in Zwolle. There's 1,100 people every month searching for Nail Studio in Zwolle. That's a lot of traffic, and like I said, your competitor is getting 1/3 of this traffic to their website, which you could be getting. The same for Nail Salon in Zwolle, or Nail Studio Zwolle in Centrum. You've got 350 people, 100 people a month actually searching for those search terms every single month. So a lot of potential traffic that you're going to be getting to your website. So just in summary quickly, try to increase your content on your homepage to 1,500 words of content targeted with those specific keywords, so that Google can quickly and easily find your website and rank it. If you want to get onto that Google map listing and the top 3 results, make sure you increase your number of citations. And third, if you want to get onto those top 3 organic search result spots, then increase your number of referring domains as well as your number of backlinks, while keeping the quality nice and high. So like I said, all these tips and tricks are free to use. So I really hope you go and implement them and get your website ranking. If you do have any questions or you want my help to see how we could sort of get more visibility and traffic to your website, please reach out to me and we can set up a session and sort of talk through, what the options are and how you could achieve it. Either way, I hope the best for you, and I really would appreciate a line of feedback to let me know if this was useful or not. As you know, I'm trying to help out a couple of local South African businesses, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Cheers.